Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here with Tim Humphrey. We're at his 50th birthday party here at Brook Run. It's a killer night. I mean, we got everybody here from all over, all the heavy hitters in skating. The pool skating is insane. Here's the man himself, Tim Humphrey, original Ramp Rancher. What you think about tonight, man?
Mark, thanks for having me here. This is a lot of fun. It's cooled off. It was a hot as hell day. The sun's gone down. The sessions have gotten hotter, but I haven't, brought what I used to bring. But Steve O'Donnell likes to talk about what we used to bring.
Lenny just did a sad plan.
Yeah, the boys. There's still plenty of boys out there going at it, having a great time. I'm having a great time, as long as I'm not getting hurt.
I just want to have an appearance.
Oh, this is my daughter, Samantha, and my beautiful wife, Linda.
Happy
Thank you
birthday,
very much.
Tim.
Thank you.
So, man, tell me about like the origins of the Ramp Ranch and how that came about, the whole ranchero scene and the whole ranchero legend. Because it's legendary to me, man. You know, I came around in the early 80s.
We're trying to bring it here to the ramp, and the kids, to get the respect of the pool. The pool, you don't play with it. It's big. It's for the big boys.
Right.
And, I heckle guys and try to be positive, but if you're not skating hard, the Ramp Ranch was about skating hard. And it was serious fun.
It definitely helped me back in the day.
Yeah, yeah.
You couldn't show up if you didn't want to blow up. You had to have your skill down. You had to have your A game ready. And I love it, man. I love it tonight too. It's awesome.
It's a fantastic session. We got guys from Ohio that came down and from Florida that came up.
Exactly.
And you and I are the old schoolers. Exactly. I guess the Ramp Ranch was 78 or so, the first one out of Debbie's house.
Now, you came up with the name. So what's the origins of the name? How did you come up with that name?
I don't know where I came. Ramp Ranch, it seemed like a ranch because we were there every day, all day, cooking and sleeping and doing everything. It was our home away from home. We all had, I guess, I don't know if it's all skaters, but we got broken home stuff, alcohol, drugs, and just stuff we want to get away from. So I was getting away from it, skating, great shape. We had a tight bond with the guys, and Debbie was the girl, the Ranchesto.
Right.
And she had a chest. I hope she doesn't mind me saying that.
Your brother just showed me the picture, and it's really nice.
Yeah. Oh, she wore really short shorts too, and she did backsides on the coping.
Really?
And but anyway, it's G-rated.
Right.
The Ramp Ranch, I don't know where I came up with Ranchero. I saw that there was a Ford Ranchero later, but I don't know if I picked up the name from that. It just, we wanted to identify ourselves. We were about skating. We didn't want to go to the press. We didn't want to go to the, magazines. We studied the magazines to see what they were doing out there.
Yeah.
And then we did it here, just because we could.
Exactly. Right. Well, it's so cool, man, because that name, it reverberated around the world, dude. Everybody knows Rancheros. Everybody knows the scene. If they don't know, they've heard about it.
Right.
And when they do know, everybody respects it. It's still tonight. You can see it here. The energy's still going. Everybody's still having a good time. You're still heckling. Thomas is still bitching. It's awesome.
Something's never changed.
And then we got these young kids here. I kind of see a birthday party as almost like a change of the guard.
Right.
I see these young kids coming up.
Yeah.
They're in the session, and they're skating like how we used to, slapping their boards down. Yeah. And they're doing it. It's pretty awesome.
Positive mental attitude.
Positive. We're interviewing on TV, buddy. Buzz off.
Yeah, so we always had to make sure you first skate hard and second enjoy yourself.
Right.
Yeah, I wouldn't have kept going if I'm not enjoying myself.
Exactly. Me either, man.
And as hot as it is, when I break a next bone, I'm gonna quit skating.
Exactly.
Until then, we're gonna keep going.
Well, you're ripping, man.
Thank you very much, Mark.
I'm glad to be at your party, dude. I'm glad to be at Tim's 50th party. I know everybody's glad to be here. Let me tell you, this is the biggest, hottest session I think we've seen at Brook Run since they built this thing.
Shut up and skate.
Thanks,
That's what
man.
we used to say.
Keep it,
Thank you.
Keep it going, man.
All right.